Hey my pretties, welcome back. So today's video, as you can see, I have 4 boxes. 4 that was sent to me in my P.O. box. Let me set these down. So all 4 of those boxes was sent to me in my P.O. box. I know one of them, one of you guys emailed me and let me know that you were sending it, and that's Miss Valerie. And so I haven't opened up her box yet, as well as the other 3. I didn't get to my P.O. box like I was supposed to. And then, you know, you guys will notify me like, girl, you got something at your P.O. box. I feel so bad, but it's never too late. It is Christmas Eve, and I wanted to get these open and share them with all of you because I don't know what's in these boxes. So I'm gonna grab one and we're gonna get it open. Actually, I take that back. 2 boxes, I was notified from the senders to let me know that something was coming. One is from a company, so I'm gonna save that one. And then she has her own business, so it's not like a real big company. It's an up and coming company, so I'll do that one in a second. Let me get to this other smaller box. Okay, so this one is from, I think you say your name, I hope I don't say it wrong because I couldn't tell if you wrote 2 R's. Is it Barisa? Barisa? I hope I said it right. Maybe there's a card in here where I can, you know, look at the name better. So let me go ahead and get this one open. Okay, so I got it open and she has a card on top. I see some bubble wrap. Let me go ahead. Oh, happy Christmas. And she drew a little tree on there. So let me see. Hopefully she wrote her name in here and I can read it better. Cindy? Hi, ma'am. Love your channel. Happy holidays, Cindy. Wishing you all the beautiful gifts of Christmas. And she sent this pretty little card. So thank you. And I see some bubble wrap. Oh my goodness. And a bunch of goodies. Okay. So this is what the package looks like. And first thing I see are some dark chocolate pomegranate crisp. Ooh, I've never seen those before. Right here. Dark chocolate pomegranate. That sounds good. So, oh, she put a couple of them in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. So me and the kids can all try those out. Oh, you guys, she sent me a pink lemonade cup. I just posted on, was it my community tab, that one of you guys sent me another pink lemonade because you guys see my artwork. I love pink lemonade's artwork. And so this is another cup that I was gifted right here. Love the black handle. So pretty. And it says, stay positive, sis. Pink lemonade. And the inside looks like that. Thank you so much, Cindy. That is so sweet. So that's in there. Ooh. And then she sent me some coffee, the Christmas blend, Starbucks, so I can have that in my cup. It says featuring rare age Sumatra, notes of spiced chocolate and spruce tips. Okay, thank you. You guys are so sweet. Thank you so much. And again, I do apologize for being a little late, but it's Christmas Eve and these are Christmas gifts, right? So I'm not too late. I'm not too late. Thank you so much, Cindy. So the next box is from Valerie. Let's go ahead and get this one open. And she's one of the ones that notified me that I had some mail at my P.O. box. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This is so cool. Early Christmas gifts. All right, Miss Valerie. Oh my goodness. What is this? A cute little can. Oh, it's something else in there matching. Okay, look at that. Oh, that is so cute. A cute little tote. Look at that. With the gingerbread houses and the people on it. So I can still use this until the end of the month. And then what I'll do, as usual, is store it away with all my Christmas stuff until next year and pull it out when I pull out my Christmas stuff to, you know, for the next year. And I'll be carrying this. And then there's also this one in here. I don't know. Did you make this? I feel like, I don't know, I feel like in my email, did you say you made this? I think so. I'm drawing a blank right now, but I think she said that. I'm not too sure. If she did, this is amazing. Whether you made it or purchased it, but if you made it, it's extra special. So this and this one. So 2 different styles. Look at that. This one has the little crossbody strap. This one is a little tote, so I can carry both of them. Have this one on my shoulder and be carrying this one. These are so cute. And the inside has like the little star burst print on it. Let me see. Okay, so there's no card, but I have to go back to my email and see exactly what you said about this, because I feel like you made this. I really do. And if you did, thank you so much. I swear this would be something that I would have got like from my grandmother or somebody like that that knows how to sew and all of that good stuff. This is super cute. Super cute. Love the hardware on it. Just very, very cute. Thank you, Valerie, so much. I love both the bags. Okay, this next box is from, I wish I could say your whole name on this screen, because when I read that, I was like, what? Girl, you got a cool name. I'm not gonna say it, but your last name, well, I'll say your first name. Your first name is Janet. So thank you, Janet, for this box. Let me go ahead and get it open. I'm telling you, when I got the box at the P.O. Box, I was like, her name is cool. Sorry, you guys, I can't disclose that. Okay, so, oh, I spotted something gingerbread. So here's her card in this cute little envelope. Oh, how cute. Look at that. It says, Merry Christmas, thanks for all your hard work, Janet. It pops open like that. Like a little card like that, little pop-up card with the gingerbread. Man, that is so cute. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to put my cards out. Thank you so much for that, Janet. And then I spotted, is this a Beanie Baby? Look at that. Would you believe I have 2 of these already? So he's gonna fit right into my collection of my gingerbread Beanie Babies and my Squishmallows and stuff. This is so cute. I love it. I can never have enough of these. Love that. Super cute. You know, I wish they would come out with one. Well, yeah, nah. I was gonna say they should make them smell like gingerbread, but I just love that. He's so cute. Okay, and then there's some more goodies in this box. There's these right here, which are some ornaments. Some little gingerbread people. Okay, I took 2 of them out. They come with the string for you to be able to string them and hang them as ornaments. Again, I'll save these for next year as well. And they come in the different shades. Very cute. And there's some with different clothes on too. So there's a few different ones in here. Little gingerbread ornaments. Let's see. This looks like a wax warmer. A Scentsy gingerbread wax warmer. You know what? You can never have too many of something. I have this little guy already. I do. So, and I showed him to you guys in one of my other videos when I showed you my gingerbread decor and stuff. And that's the little wax warmer guy. So you have the other pieces in here. You put it in there and then you plug it in. You put the wax up here. And he's sitting there like he's taking a wax bath. And it just smells up the whole room. So thank you so much. That is so cute. So now I have 2 of these. Here's the other piece. She also sent some wax. Oh, you sent a lot of wax. She sent some wax to go inside of the wax warmer. Let me get them all out. Okay, so there is Yankee Candle. Ooh, cinnamon spice. I bet that smells super good. There is Apple Orchard right there. I have Holiday Cookie. And all of these are Yankee Candle. There's, ooh, Pumpkin Donut. Caramel Swirl right here. White Strawberry Bellini. Ooh. And Balsam and Cedar. And that's one of my favorite fragrances, the pine, anything that smells like the Christmas tree. So all of these I can burn in the little gingerbread wax warmer. Okay, I see 2 more things in here. Let me pull this out. There's this plate, little gingerbread plate. Super cute, little metal plate. I could put some cookies on those tonight, actually. And then there's something in here. Let me pull these out. Oh, these are so cute. Oh my goodness. So she sent me this right here. Hold on. My camera is not trying to focus. Okay, right here. So she sent me this right here. It's a little girl, a little gingerbread girl. That is so cute with her little skis. And it has that kind of like texture that's like sand. Look at her little dress. That is so adorable. Oh my goodness. I love that. Oh, and her scarf is like blowing to the back, like she's just going. She like whoosh, and her little scarf is just blowing. And then look at these. Look at them. Oh my goodness. Look at his leg. His leg is all kicked to the back. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Janet, for all the goodies. I appreciate every last gift that all of you guys have sent. I truly, truly appreciate you all. Okay, let me put these down, and then what do I have? I have 1 more box. Okay, so this last box is from a company called Ville. And like I said, it's a small business. If I have her information, I will link it down below. I've never used her candles, but she did let me know that she was an up-and-coming small candle company. And of course, she wanted to know if she could send me a candle or 2, I guess. I don't know what's in here, but let's see. Okay, so this is what we got. Ville. She's on Facebook and Candle_Ville on Instagram. She's on TikTok as Ville. And then she's at the candleville.com. So all of her little social media accounts. Let's see what she sent. Oh, that's cute. She has a whole little card about her business. My name is Carlin. And as a small business owner from Shreveport, Louisiana, I started my business during the pandemic. It was tough being a male candle maker. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a guy. I'm saying she. It's a guy, male candle maker for a while, so I rebranded. And now I want to let you and the rest of the world know about my baby. I started Candleville to show the world Southern scents that can't be found anywhere else. Here are some of my best-selling and most unique scents. I hope you enjoy what I've sent you, and I appreciate your honest feedback. Candleville. That is so cool. Years and years and years ago, I started a soap company, and I did pretty good, but I was so overwhelmed with it. I mean, we're talking, how long did that was like 20 years ago. I was so overwhelmed with it that I closed my company down. So I can understand him saying that he had to close and rebrand. So yeah, that's cool. You guys can support him if you like. Like I said, the information I'll make sure is down below. So the scents that he enclosed is a 10-ounce Falls in the Air, a 4-ounce Ladies Night, okay. And then the wax melt is cocoa butter and cashmere. And then he tells you that, like, a little bit about each candle, like what it is. So the Falls in the Air, it says hot pomegranate cider spiced with cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves atop a bed of breezy autumn woods, a scent that lets you know fall is here. So let's get it open. I love the packaging. He has it wrapped up really nice with the little sticker. So this is what it looks like. Fall is in the air. Very nice. Love the sleek black container. Oh, that smells so good. It definitely smells like the cider. And I get the pomegranate. Ooh, I can't wait to burn these. So that is the Fall is in the Air. The other one was Ladies Night. Let's see. So the smaller candle comes in a smaller can like this, and it has the tag on top. That's what it looks like. And Ladies Night, a romantic and opulent blend of soft florals, spiced saffron, and amber accords. A luxurious fragrance that will transport you to a decorated ballroom inspired by Baccarat Rouge. Okay. Oh my God. This smells like... Wow, this does smell like Baccarat Rouge. If you're familiar with that scent, oh, it has a very sweet scent. I'm getting like, I don't know if that's that coconut. I don't know what it is, but it smells just like Baccarat. Very, very nice. I can't wait to burn that one. This one I'm gonna burn Ladies Night in my bathroom when I'm taking my bath. So definitely want to give that one a try. And this is the candle wax, well, let me get it right. The wax melts. The wax melts, cashmere and cocoa butter. Love that packaging. That's also black. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Oh, I just got finished telling you guys in a different video how I've been gravitating towards everything cashmere. The word cashmere just softens up a scent and makes it's just so nice. Oh, this is nice. And it's the cocoa butter in it. Oh, I love that. I love that. These are nice. Okay, Ville, thank you. I will probably burn the 2 candles and maybe do a shorts video or let you guys know. Some way I'm gonna let you guys know, or into my community tab at some point, let you guys know how I feel about them. But for now, I would say that I would repurchase just on support alone. Like, small businesses need the support. Love the packaging, love all of it. It smells great. So yeah, but I'll let you guys know what I think about this. And that's it. So I thank you guys again for always thinking about me. You guys are gonna make me get teary-eyed. It is Christmas Eve, so opening up these gifts, that is just so cool. And you guys know from the bottom of my heart, I always tell you this, I really truly appreciate every last one of you guys. I always say, you guys, my pretties, are like, I just have the best supporters. You guys are my sisters, my supporters, my brothers, because I know it's some guys that watch, uncles, aunties, whatever y'all want to, whatever we gonna be. You guys are the best. And I've never had any problems. You guys are just so supportive and sweet and thoughtful, and you guys appreciate my hard work, and I really appreciate that. When you guys say that, I'll be like, man, thank you, because it'd be hard. It'd be hard in these stores sometimes, you know, and trying to get the stuff up for you guys. So I truly appreciate that. And all of my gifts, you see that? My eyes started tearing up. Okay, thank you. Thank you. 4 thank yous to all of you guys. And I hope you are all having a beautiful Christmas Eve. I hope the holiday goes well for you. I know sometimes this can be a hard time of the year if you have any family that you've lost, or you know, just stay strong, and you know, sending love out there to you, and big hugs. And I will see you guys the day after Christmas, because I probably won't put anything up tomorrow. So that's it. Merry Christmas. Thank you guys for all the love, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.